Welcome to Cryptonic Events, your go-to source for the latest updates, insights, and analysis on the world of cryptocurrencies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, our channel is here to provide you with valuable information and perspectives on the most exciting developments in the crypto space. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins and DeFi projects, we'll cover it all with in-depth reviews, expert interviews, and market analysis. We believe that cryptocurrencies are the future of finance, and we're committed to bringing you the most reliable and informative content to help you navigate this exciting and rapidly evolving landscape. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and gain a better understanding of the crypto world, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a new video. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to exploring the world of cryptocurrencies together. Let's get started. News. Vitalik Buterin introduces pre-crypto game to Ethereum's IPFS. Vitalik Buterin introduced the real-time strategic game Slasha to IPFS. The founder said that he created the game in his pre-crypto years. The link provided by Buterin takes readers to a brief description of the game. The Russian computer programmer and founder of the leading blockchain platform Ethereum, Vitalik Buterin, declared via his official Twitter page the addition of the real-time strategic game, Slasha, to IPFS. He asserted that he created the game in his pre-crypto days, in 2011. On May 23, Buterin shared the tweet citing a totally random fun thing. Buterin provided a brief description of the game, where the player would fight as a commander. By illustrating with an example campaign for Slasha 5.0, the Ethereum founder wished his 4.8 million followers the best of luck in beating the tutorial. The tweet included a link that led to the introduction to Slasha 5.0. The tutorial provided a brief description of the situations in the game, which the player is supposed to confront as a commander. According to the description, the gamer would be placed in Queen Madrina's prosperous reign, which eventually turns horrific on account of the Sabayon terrorist movement. As the brave commander, the player would be introduced into the realm. When the situation worsens, the commander would summon loyal soldiers, forming a small army against the evil wizard Xandros and his demonic minions. The tutorial also detailed the mechanism of the game, briefing the guidelines. This campaign will get you acquainted with the controls and basic strategy and get you fighting insert enemy here in no time. To control a unit, right-click or hit Shift next to it and left-click or Enter/Return to tell it to move to a place. Hitting opponents is automated, you don't need to order your units to attack. With the game included in IPFS or the interplanetary file system, Ethereum's decentralized storage and file referencing system, Buterin has provided a novel platform for his community to play and win. His followers overwhelmingly welcomed the news, sharing their gratitude to him. Price prediction. Ethereum price today is $1,854.37 with a 24-hour trading volume of $19.66 billion, market cap of $223.32 billion, and market dominance of 19.4%. The ETH price increased 1.94% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum price forecast based on technical analysis. Based on data from May 23, 2023 at 11:31, the general Ethereum price prediction sentiment is bullish, with 26 technical analysis indicators signaling bullish signals and 4 signaling bearish signals. ETH price prediction was last updated on May 23, 2023 at 13:31. Ethereum key price levels. Based on today's classical pivot point, P1, with the value of $1,816.11, Ethereum has support levels of $1,804.41, $1,787.02, and the strongest at $1,775.33. Similarly, Ethereum resistance levels are at $1,833.50, $1,845.20, and $1,862.59. Ethereum reached its highest price on November 10, 2021 when it was trading at its all-time high of $4,867.17, while Ethereum's lowest price was recorded on October 21, 2015 when it was trading at its all-time low of $0.420897. The lowest price since its ADH was $897.01, cycle low. The highest ETH price since the last cycle low was $2,136.36, cycle high. The Ethereum price prediction sentiment is currently bullish, while Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Ethereum's current circulating supply is 120.43 mETH. The current yearly supply inflation rate is minus 0.38%, meaning minus 461,802 ETH were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Ethereum is currently ranked number 2 in the proof-of-work coin sector, ranked number 1 in the proof-of-stake coin sector, and ranked number 2 in the Layer 1 sector. Ethereum is currently trading above the 200-day simple moving average, SMA. The 200-day SMA has been signaling buy for the last 73 days, since March 10, 2023. The price of Ethereum is currently above the 50-day SMA, and this indicator has been signaling buy for the last 15 days, since May 7, 2023. The most recent death cross in the Bitcoin market happened 481 days ago, on January 26, 2022. Meanwhile, a golden cross last occurred on February 9, 2023, which was 103 days ago. Based on our technical indicators, Ethereum's 200-day SMA will rise in the next month and will hit $1,678.49 by June 22, 2023. Ethereum's short-term 50-day SMA is estimated to hit $1,839.49 by June 22, 2023. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, momentum oscillator is a popular indicator that signals whether a cryptocurrency is oversold, below 30, or overbought, above 70. Currently, the RSI value is at 47.10, which indicates that the ETH market is in a neutral position. According to our current Ethereum price prediction, the value of Ethereum is predicted to rise by 2.79% and reach $1,905.33 by May 28, 2023. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 50, neutral. Ethereum recorded 14/30ths, 47%, green days with 2.24% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Ethereum forecast, it's now a good time to buy Ethereum. Comparing Ethereum against other important technological innovations and trends is one way of predicting where the Ethereum price could head over the long term. The table above shows what the Ethereum price would be by end of year 2024, 2025, and 2026 if its growth trajectory followed the growth of the internet, or large tech companies like Google and Facebook in their growth phase. In the best-case scenario, ETH price prediction for year 2026 is $40,444 if it follows Facebook growth. In case Ethereum would follow internet growth, the prediction for 2026 would be $4,639.59. Disclaimer: the opinion expressed here is not investment advice, it is provided for informational purposes only. It does not necessarily reflect the opinion of Cryptonic Events. Every investment and all trading involves risk, so you should always perform your own research prior to making decisions. We do not recommend investing money you cannot afford to lose. Thank you for watching today's video on Cryptonic Events. We hope you found it informative and engaging. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We always appreciate your feedback and we'll do our best to respond to as many comments as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest content. And if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. As always, we'll continue to bring you the most relevant and reliable information on the crypto market. We're excited to have you as part of our community and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.